With the app, Remote for Roku and Fire TV, available on iOS and Android, you can turn your phone into a remote control. To do this, tap on the power button in the top center to connect. If both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, your device name will appear in the app, and a number will appear on the TV that must be entered in the app. After successful connection, the Fire TV can be controlled like with the normal remote control. Apps can be launched directly from the smartphone. If you press this button, you can search for apps and movies directly via the phone's keyboard or surf the internet comfortably. On the Roku, it's even easier. Tap the power button in the top center to connect. If both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, your device name will appear in the app. Here you don't have to enter a number, the remote control is connected immediately. Launch your channels, use the built-in keyboard, or instantly search for content on your Roku. With another tap on the power button, you can also switch off your device after connecting. Thank you for watching. If the video helped you, please give us a like and check out the channel.